Coming to today's session. Today we are going to do foam painting. You already know that, right? With the foam, we are going to do a painting. It's like a paper making or paint. You can call as craft also. We can use it for the craft. Making a design papers. For example, if you have a A4 color, A4 white sheet, okay, A4 normal sheet, or any thick chart we can make that chart into colorful with a pattern, simple designs, okay. You see usually the design papers and greeting cards like that, right? Like that we can use this paper for those designs. Okay, very good. Still all are coming and joining in the live session. Let them all join, then we'll start the session properly. Before that, required materials are, I already said, you need to get with the foam, shaving cream, this one. I am using Gillette shaving cream. Okay, foam, and then you need to get it. See, colors, acrylic colors. It may be small bottles or big bottles, whatever you have. You need to get ready with that. All the bottles. Okay, you need to get ready with acrylic, Fevikwik acrylic colors. It may be a small bottles. If you get fabric colors also, no problem. You can get those colors, and then for shaving foam. After that, you need to ready with the chart papers or A4 sheets, whatever you have. You need to get ready with those things. Okay, you need to get ready with these things, papers like this. Sheets. I am taking thick chart. It's ivory chart. We'll call this paper as normal white charts. You can take it. Okay. Then now I'll show few of the things which already done by them. Okay. Few designs of this foam painting. Look at it. It is a foam painting which I already done. Now I'll show one more. Look at this. See this design at the center. This excess part you can cut it however you want, but see the design first. Okay, this design is very important. I'll show one more. See the background shades, okay, and then the center you have that all textures and different things, okay. That's you need to see. And then one more. This is what we will get in the foam paint. Different designs, textures, strokes we will get it in a nice way. Okay, then we have the last one. Of the pros. See the texture, how we will get it. Okay, this is the thing we will use that foam painting. How to do this one? Okay, this is a very easy and simple one, but the output will be so effective. Are you getting? See the design. You like it, right? Yeah, it's a nice thing. You can do like this. It's a foam painting. See the texture. Hope you like it. Then I already said you to get ready with the foam, shaving foam. This one I am using Gillette, and then colors, and then white papers. If we have all the stuff we keep aside, then we will start the session. Before that, if you have a small tray of anything or a box or like that, or else keep the newspapers down and then keep all things ready. Take the newspapers also, keep on the floor. Because we are doing the foam, right? For that, you need to keep it on the floor. You need to keep newspapers. On that, you need to keep a tray. Just now, I am taking this for doing the painting. Okay, I am taking this as the base here. I wanna see this foam is there, right? I wanna place it here, down here, and then I am going to work on this. you have anything, or if you have any plate, right, waste plate or something like that, you can take the plate, or any cardboard, anything is there, you have to keep it down. We'll use this further. When we start the session, I'll tell how to use this one. Okay? Very good. So if you are going to join, once all join, then we'll start the session. Before that, we had to thank few people. Because of them, here today. I'm here today, okay? I have to thank few people, especially Mr. James sir, my art teacher. Okay? Yes, James sir, and then Vijay Kumar sir, my math teacher, Lakshmipad Reddy sir. I need to thank them. Because of them only I am here today. Especially Damodar Reddy sir, who taught me art and crafting when I am in 6th class. Because of them, I learned all these things in those days, and then I am using all these techniques now. Because my teachers only I am here. Okay? Then we'll start the session. Then we'll go to the close view, and then we'll start the session. You are hearing me, right? See, first I am taking a tray like this, okay? You can take a plate or anything to keep it down. We'll go step by step. View is clear right now? Very good. Now see, I'm keeping it. See, just I'm taking anything. If you don't have like this, just you take what will I take any one plate or any newspapers like that. Keep it down. See, like this paper, I'm keeping this chart down. Like that, you can keep your newspapers down. Is it clear? Very good. Keep all things down like this. You can get your things and keep it down. Very good. Keep all things ready. Now, after keeping like this, keep any newspaper or anything, okay? Keep a newspaper down, and that also you can go. This foam is there, right? You have to go now, take this foam here. That's the first step which you are going to do. For that, take a thicker chart, little bit thicker one, and then you need to take it down like this. Okay? See now. From the start, I think you can get it. See now. I'm taking 4. Just I'm taking. I'm doing like this. Full form. I already said, right? This we call as foam painting or marble paper making. You can call this, because we'll get a structure output like that. It's like marble painting. I will see how the tiles and all the things, right? The different designs like that we'll get the output. That's why in few places we'll call this as marble painting also. Okay? Like this. First we need to take the foam and you can take it on newspaper also, no problem. Take it on newspaper. Take it foam like this. Okay? Take like this. All took. Very good. That's the first step. What we need to do. Next, I am taking the chart simple like this, and then I am making this surface as smooth one, flat. Look at it. Okay, just I am making the surface as flat. It's foam, right? Okay, like any excess, just I am keeping here. Okay, you need to do like this. Is the first step. First, take the foam and then spray it on this any chart or there's any thick chart or any cardboard like that or any plate like that. You need to take the foam and then take a thing and then make it smooth on the flattened surface. You need to make it. After this, take the color. I'm taking here direct bottle and then I'm applying here. Okay. See, just here and there. Next I'm making a dots. Just I'm pouring here and there. Taking yellow and then sky blue. It's up to your choice. You can take whatever the colors you have. Now see, I'm taking sky blue. Just I'm taking here and there small dots. Okay. Like this. Okay, you need to do that. Is it clear? Yes. Now, see, you need to pour like this and then take one cloth ready with you, then waste cloth, okay? Just to take that paint out. Now, look at here. Take a pencil. Now the thing is that we are going to do this as a design. How you need to do the design is take the pencil like this. Okay, take the pencil like this and then see. Take the each one. Just join them. However you get right, just join them. Okay, just joining all the dots. And the excess part is there, right? Just clean with the cloth. Make pencil properly. Now see, I did this direction now, right? Now I am going to do the reverse direction. See. It's up to our creativity, however you want to do it, okay? See that strokes are very important. If you do like this, then we'll get the structure properly. Whatever the design you will get on the surface of this one, on the top, the same design gonna appear on the white paper, which you are taking the next. Okay, you are getting? Good. So I'm gonna do once again with the other crossing. Just see properly, observe it, and then you can do it. See, I'm just doing in a zigzag way. I'll show you 3 to 4 way of doing this, okay? Different designs, how to get different designs. You can do so many designs with this. Thing is that after doing with the pencil, we need to take that excess part which will get on that. See again, I'm going with this. There is nothing like it. These many times we need to do like that. See, until we like that this top design, we can do those many times, 10 or 15 like that. It's up to our wish. We need to get a good design on the top. That is our main important thing. Okay. then last time. The last time I'm going to do it. After that I'll show how to get this output. See, now I got like this. You're getting the design, right? Just I use two colors, that is sky blue and then yellow. But I got light green also. If you mix sky blue and then yellow, you will get light green. Okay, this is the output of the mixture. Now, to get this output, you need to take a paper like this. Okay, you need to take a paper like this. Then you take this paper and then keep it over this. Is it done? Now you need to press it. You need to tap on them properly. Okay? Then we need to see. Take it out slowly. And then keep it on other side. See, we'll get like this. Okay? Then, already told, right? Take a picture like this. You can take the greeting cards or whatever you have, okay? Now see. Keep it down, and then now what we need to do is remove the foam which you have on the paper. See, I am taking this extra and then I am putting it. Remove the foam which you have already on the see now. On the top, whichever the design you got, same design you are getting now, right? It's looking nice, right? You have to see it directly and then let it dry for few seconds, okay? After drying, you will get it output more beautifully. Then you take this and then keep it aside. Now, after this, see, this is like this, right? Now take that excess also and then keep it like this and then make it again, see, make it again flat. Now see, you will get a mixed colors. That is your background now. First you will get a plain because the full background is white, right? Then we are taking the color. That's why in the first you will get like that. But after this, right, you will get a mixed colors. That is what beauty of it. Okay, see, again we need to make a flat surface like this. Then, now I am going to take red colors. Now I am taking red color. See now, same thing. I am wearing it's the dots. Like this, you need to pour it. Okay, like this, you need to pour the paint in different places. Okay, then you take the pencil. Then see, look at it. This I am going to do like this. See, just I am taking from one part and then I am doing like a star. How we will get the stars? Okay, same thing we need to do like this. to do like this in the table. See, you need to do like this. Let's take the pencil and then you need to spread the dots like a stars. Like this. You need to go to each dot and then you need to spread each dot. Okay, we need to do like this. Look at it. Got like this. Okay, now keep it down and then we are going to take a paper. See, I took a plain paper like this. Then I am keeping it on this. Then we need to press it. Just press like this. Okay. Then you need to take one corner and then lift it. And then keep it down like this. Okay. You need to keep it down like this. Then see, keep it like this and then take other shot like this. See that. Properly. See the output, okay? Thing is that entire foam should remove properly with a shot. See the output. Nice design, right? Like this, we'll get different design. Now, look at it. After taking out this, then see, we already have one design here, right? It's looking like this. If you keep exactly same on the same thing, we'll see how we'll get it. I'm not doing any designs, just I'm taking which is the previous one. Okay, then I'm lifting it. See now, keeping here. See, as I'm taking the chart paper. Sides. See the output. See, just I'm taking the same thing without doing anything. If you draw anything on this and if you make any greeting cards to your friends, right, it will be so nice, okay? Very background, you will get very nice background and then you can use a black sketch, and if you do any sketches or if you can do the doodling, you can doodle on this one. Then it will be so nice, isn't it? Then I'm going with one more design. See, now you have like this, right? I am going to take this and then make it surface proper. Like this. See, this is gonna be your background. It's smooth. Yeah. Done. Now, I'm going with which color I go? Green. I'm taking green here. Just I'm drawing the dots. Just you need to do like this. like this. Okay. Then take the pencil. Same way. See now. Take each dot. See, just to take that and then scribble like this. To get like this. Just scribble it. Scribble it. See, 1, 2, 3, 4. For the red one, we did like a star, right? This you need to do like different curves. Just do like this, scribble. You getting right? However you are moving your pencil, like that you will get the design. Like this. You need to do like this. Like this, okay? Like this, you need to do it. You need to scribble it. Like this, you need to do it. Awesome, great work. Thank you, Sherry. And then Vishnuvardhan Reddy, hi, Sunu, you are doing great job. Thank you, thank you. See, you need to do like this. See, at last we'll get a design like this, isn't it? Then we need to take the white sheet like this. Okay, we need to take like this. Then we need to keep it on the design which we are done. See, we need to keep it on this, and then we need to press it like this. Okay, then same thing, we need to take it out. And see this here, then we need to keep it here. It is also nice, right? Top design. Now, keeping like this, just holding one side and raising the chart. Turning this to other side. Now we will get output like this. You need to see directly, okay? You will like it a lot. And the smoothness of paper also, it will increase a lot, okay? These are excellent designs you will get with this. Okay, like this you can do so many designs. Like see, I am keeping this and directly on this one to get a green design. Okay, like this we get different designs. See, this is called foam painting. We can do different designs as how I shown now. Like that we can do plenty designs. It's up to your interest and then your time, okay? How much time you are going to spend on this. Okay, this is what we are going to do it. I'll show all the designs once again which we have done today. See, this is one, green one we did, and this is the red one, on the top directly we kept. Then one more, this is the basic red one, it's a different design. There is a starting one, it's yellow and then sky blue. And then see, this is the background design. And then see, which I showed already, this is the design. The red, we'll get it the output with the foam painting. Then this is the massive, we'll get it like this with the different colors and textures. You can do it and we'll get with the output. Then we have simple dot ones. You can try it and then we'll get it. Then we have one more green with the background red. It's up to our creativity which are the colors you want you can use and then you can do the output. Then this is the framework. Okay? And then it's really awesome. Thank you, Shravani. Thank you, Tipal. See, this is what today's session. I think you enjoyed it. This is what the foam painting is. Nothing is. See, that is the art. Thing is that you can do with anything or any sort of material. We can do the art. That is the greatness of art and craft. Whatever the material will take, with that we can do it. Today, just using a few paints and then foam, shaving cream. Up to now, we know only that we can use the shaving cream for only shaving, but we can use the shaving cream for painting also. We'll get wonderful outcomes. Okay, this is the thing of this foam painting. Okay, I think hope you enjoyed it. Smita Mohan, wonderful session. Looking forward to watch. Thank you, man. Thank you. This is what we're going to. Okay, that is the end of the session. Thank you, and please like and share Handmade Happiness. Thank you.